in this worksheet, we are going to do some proofreading. It's using some of our spelling words and also talking about the closed syllables and open syllables. On A, it says, beside letter A, it says we're going to proofread. Let's follow along as we read the directions. It says, there are 6 spelling mistakes in the paragraph below. Circle the misspelled words. Write the words correctly on the lines. So let's go ahead and first, let's read the paragraph together. And if you notice, paragraphs, this is one paragraph. And when you start a new paragraph, you indent. Now I'm going to draw a little arrow. Do you see this space right here between, see right there? All right, that is an indentation. When we indent a little space before we start a new paragraph. That's how we know when we go to read, and I'll say, read paragraph 2. So then you're going to count the paragraphs and make sure you're reading correctly. So I'm going to back up here. All right, so see my indentation right there? See how it goes in a little bit? All right, so there's only one paragraph here. All right, so it says, follow along. My sister Meg cooked supper last week. She made a new kind of gravy. A yummy odor filled the kitchen. Finally, it was time to open the lid of the pot. It was so good. Meg sent a letter to the newspaper about her new recipe. They will publish it on Sunday. All right, so let's look at sentence number 1. Starts with the word my. There is something wrong in that sentence. It is spelled, a spelling word is spelled incorrectly. So it says, my sister Meg cooked supper last week. That's the first sentence. What word is spelled wrong? It's the word supper. Supper. It's not suppery. It's supper. So since that's the first word that is wrong, we are going to write that word correctly on the line beside number 1. But instead of copying it, we have to write it correctly, which means we have to get rid of the last letter of that word. So it's supper. S-U-P-P-E-R. Supper. Okay, let's look at sentence number 2. It says, she made a new kind of gravy. Okay, let's look at that. There's something in there that's wrong. It's the word gravy. Good job. And what can you tell me is wrong about that? That's right. It's got an extra V. So we only need one V in gravy. So that is our second mistake. So let's write it correctly on the line beside number 2. G-R-A-V-Y. Okay, let's go to sentence number 3, which corresponds with the number 3. A yummy odor filled the kitchen. Now, the word odor, I believe that is one of your spelling words, right? That is. So, odor is the word that is spelled wrong. What is wrong about that? That's right. The E does not belong. So to spell the word correctly, it's O-D-O-R. Odor. Okay, let's look at number 4, which also corresponds with sentence number 4. Finally, it was time to open the lid of the pot. There's another spelling word in there, and it's spelled incorrectly. You got it. It's the word open. What is wrong with the word open? What? Yeah, that's right. There's an extra P. So open is O-P-E-N. Open. Okay, sentence number 5. It was so good. Is there anything wrong in that sentence? Well, good job. Nothing in that sentence. Let's go on to the next sentence. Meg sent a letter to the newspaper about her new recipe. Letter. You got it. Letter is spelled wrong. Because why? There should be 2 T's. So it's L-E-T-T-E-R. Letter. Okay, let's look at the last sentence. They will publish it on Sunday. Publish. Sunday. Which one is wrong? Publish, that's correct. Publish is wrong, and why is it wrong? No. Let's try that again. Publish. That's right. The B doesn't belong. There's 2 B's, so we only need 1. So let's write the word publish with only 1 B. Awesome. All right. Now, down here, you're going to write it on your own. And I want you to do your very best. Let's read it on part B, writing. Write a paragraph about a secret project you would like to do. Use 4 spelling words in your paragraph. Now, a paragraph. If you write a paragraph is 2 or more sentences. So you can't just write 1 sentence and put 4 spelling words in it. You need to write more than 2 sentences. So let's take a look again. Here are some of your spelling words that we just wrote. 1, supper. 2, gravy. 3, odor. 4, open. 5, letter. 6, publish. Now, a secret project that you would like to do. So think about it. Brainstorm. You don't have to use the words that we just wrote. You can turn back to your spelling list and take some of the words from there. Now remember, how many spelling words do you need to use? At least 4, okay? And make sure that when you write the paragraph that you indent. So you are going to put a space and then your first word is going to start there. Okay? Leave that space, then start writing here. Then when you continue to the end, you're going to wrap around, and then you're going to start right here at the beginning. And then you come at the end, you wrap around, come to the beginning of the line. That's how we know that it is a paragraph. When you are finished with this, I want you to take a picture of it, have your parent or guardian take a picture of your paragraph, and send it to your teacher. Good luck. Oh, and don't forget, finger space, end marks. Each sentence has to end with a period, question mark, or exclamation point. And don't forget to use your very nice, neat handwriting.